Grace.
Wait!
Grace.
Over this! Wait!
Oh! He's gonna crack it on your head! Oh, shoot.
I don't know what's going on. Alright guys, come on in. So today for Vlogmas episode 5, I think it is, we're gonna try not to burn the kitchen down. We're gonna be doing the noise canceling, mouth canceling.
You know you will see, no, you will speak, no.
Yeah, that challenge. And we're gonna bake a cake. So first we're gonna assign it. I'm gonna have my noise canceling headphones on and not be able to hear. Grace is going to have tape over her mouth.
It's important.
Her original one was, she was like, oh, you know, I can be different. I can't use my hands.
Yeah, we're doing that.
Listen though, that's not a detriment for her. She can
It is,
easily
because I
step
want
back.
to take over from the mess y'all are gonna make.
Yeah, we can do
Trust me.
My mom is gonna tie her hands together. And then, did you have something for Evan?
Evan, yeah. Oh.
that. Thanks for this.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and lock in.
Grab the box.
Where's the box?
Evan, come over. Come to my voice.
Oh!
Stop. You can't come on.
Hey, Grace, don't touch me, man. I promise you really get active up in here. I'm not playing these
Put the
games.
box down.
Alright, so for the first
Why are
one,
you yelling? Bruh, alright, you gotta get out of there. Your kitchen not really that big.
Grace, make sure Evan knows.
Just open. Open the box. Open.
Where? Give me the box. I'm open.
Right there. Just open it. Grace, pull the bowl closer. Okay. Now make sure he gets whatever he's doing in the bowl. Evan, why are you throwing it? Don't.
I was trying to hit her. Okay, now what am I doing? What am I doing?
Show. Wait.
Evan, or Grace, preheat the oven to 350.
Okay, we gotta stop the pushing.
Why did Grace just push me? Grace, you can see.
Oh, yes.
Alright, I can't see.
Evan!
Evan, open your bag. Just keep it. Grace.
Wait!
Grace.
Over this! Wait!
I don't love you. Wait.
Stop, don't hold the bag. I'm holding the bag.
Put the bowl down!
No.
Put the bowl down!
Okay. No, stop throwing stuff, Evan. It's gonna be more stuff we gotta clean up. Grace, don't wipe it on your clothes.
Grace, get a cake pan.
I can get it.
No, you can't.
What's that?
You stay right where you are.
I don't know where the stuff are usually.
She doesn't get
No, cupcake pan.
Oh, I know what that is.
And get the papers. Stand up! Stand up!
I'll get the papers.
Alright, Evan, I'm gonna give you some eggs.
I tried to preview something. No, what are you? Stop it. Grace, stop. That's not.
What you want to preview? Let me do it.
Evan!
We need measure.
I'll do.
Evan,
Stop! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around!
you're handing him an egg and he can't see. Evan, walk forward. Walk forward. Okay, Evan, reach your hand out to the left. Reach your left. But that's your right hand.
I can't see, my
Can you get papers for the cupcakes?
Okay, Evan, walk
Oh.
forward.
What are you listening to?
That's the egg.
Evan, walk forward. Evan, walk forward. Stop.
Grace.
Wait!
Evan, turn towards my voice. Okay.
Grace.
Evan, Grace. Okay.
I'm putting your hand on the bowl.
Okay. Crack it on the bowl, and then Grace, make sure.
Grace, you know what to do.
No, she's dressed.
Do you need somebody?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No! He's gonna crack it on your head.
Stop. Don't fight it.
Evan, then you don't know where to put it.
Where do I put it?
Right there.
Right here?
Yeah. Oh, shoot. Not where you are. Oh, cool.
Alright, that's fine.
Now where do I throw this?
Grace, how many more eggs? Just one egg or multiple?
3 large eggs.
Alright.
Why are you getting it?
Who's next?
Don't you even think about it. If you put your nasty hands on my face, we gon' fight. Evan, turn and hit it in the bowl.
Onto the liquid.
Here's the bowl. Crack it on the bowl or the counter.
Grace, we need more utensils. Brianna, where's the measuring? Grace, where's the measuring?
Okay.
Okay.
Grace, where's the...
Give him the next one.
Give me the next one. Thank you.
Hold on, don't do it just by yourself. Grace,
Another egg. Oh.
Okay.
Did I still go with my hands?
No, stop. Turn. Down. Down. To the left. Down. Right there. We're gonna do milk.
Alright, you gotta tell me how much of this to put it.
Grace, do milk instead of water. Milk's right there. Grace, get the milk. Evan, turn around.
Wait.
How much? You tell me how much. Oh,
Let me pour it.
One.
Let me pour
Yeah.
it. Give it to me. Hey, give it to me. Let me pour it. Let me pour it. So she usually pour more than a cup.
Brianna,
Grace, stop.
that's...
Let me
I need oat milk.
Grace,
I need oat milk. The oat milk's good.
It's not enough.
Open that oat milk.
Oh. All right.
Right here. I wanted to pour it.
Grace, move it.
What are you doing?
Why are you so sassy?
I wanted to pour it.
Okay, you can do the oil.
Thank you, Grace.
Yes.
Okay, Evan.
What's this, oil?
Tell her how much. I'll tell Evan how much. Half. Half a cup.
Why y'all gonna waste the good quality oil? The top's still on, Evan.
Keep going.
Evan.
Almost there.
Oh my goodness. No. Evan, that's nasty.
All right, keep going.
Don't put that top back on before washing it.
Keep going.
It's nasty.
Keep going.
Stop.
Stop.
Now, where's he supposed to put the oil? Take that top and rinse it, please. Ugh. I said rinse it. Oh, you can't hear me.
What?
I'm pouring it now. Somebody make sure it's underneath. I'm pouring it.
What did I do? Wait, why am I in trouble?
Put it straight down, Evan. Now you're stirring. Good job, Grace.
Grace, I know how to stir, Grace. You don't have to. Who are you pushing, Grace? You putting fight right now.
Grace is over there. Evan, stop before you knock the whole cake down. Grace, the paper liners go in the cupcake pan.
I don't know what's going on.
What kind of cake is this?
Just vanilla. Great.
I bet you wish you could use your hands now.
I bet you wish I was silent. She can't hear me anyhow.
Grace, you know where measuring spoons are?
She need a measuring spoon.
No, bigger.
What is she?
Oh, this could work. Oh, there we go.
Okay. Evan,
Are you okay?
she hurt herself. What does she need a measuring spoon?
That one, that big one. Just the big one. Just the big one.
Mom, is this good, bro? Is this good?
Hey, you did a really good job.
You can't see me.
Okay, stop.
Looks nice.
I know what she's doing. Okay. Get the paper liners. Evan, okay. Hands up.
I'll get the paper liners.
Okay, move out of the way. Okay, and stop.
Make the paper liners.
Nope. I got you. Thank you, Grace. Put the paper liners inside the thing. The regular liners just need a pan up under them. Evan, come here. No, what are you doing? Come back over here. You're nowhere near paper liners. No, get that.
We can each do 2 except for mommy.
I want to do them all.
Wait.
Love me like you love me.
Okay, open this. Please open the dishwasher.
Back up.
Get one of the plain pans.
Wait, we need mayo.
I get it. Where's the mayo? No.
Right there. Right there.
Who's opening?
Grace, I need you to open. Grace, get the mayo.
Don't touch me. I got it.
We need a bowl for that.
I got you. Hold this.
Put that out and put those out. Yeah, because you don't need a thing for that. Not a bowl, Evan.
I don't think that is that
And
wise.
a spoon.
I got you.
But Brianna already got the spoon.
Jerk face.
She can't hear that.
Brianna, we gonna fight.
Okay, don't. Oh, what's that?
All right, I'll do some and then I'll pass it on. Wait, guys, this is perfect for a photo. Everyone get in.
Stop it. Stop it. Yeah, because you're wiping your hands off. Evan, stop it.
I'm pouring. I'm pouring.
Evan, you're nasty, man. Wash your hands. Grace, come take over. No!
You're tired.
Yes! Can somebody
The
please?
cat's on the top of the car.
No! Can somebody please clean up the eggs? And then
I got you. Where is it?
Okay. I'm over here.
I'm joking.
Evan, you're up.
Yes.
Oh, just kidding. Wait.
What's
Grace
that?
has a couple more. I bet you wish you could use your hands, huh? What you trying to say? All right, that's enough. You know you can speak, right?
But you can't hear me.
I can read lips.
No, you can't. You are stupido.
Come here!
What?
Come here!
Are you
All right, Evan, you're up.
No, Evan does not need to.
All right, don't make a mess. Stop.
My
All right, Evan, come here, Evan. Evan,
You're the only one that has buttons.
put your hands out like they're pinching something. All right,
Clock
pinch,
that
pinch,
T.
pinch.
Clock
Down.
that T. Clock
Down.
that T. Clock
Forward.
that T. Clock that
Down.
T. Clock
Forward.
That. Clock that. Clock that.
All right, look, this is where the cake thing is.
What is this? What is this? What am I doing?
cupcake. They're the silicone cupcake liners.
Tell me what to do.
Good job, good job. Keep it up. You're doing great, sweetie. Oh, you're failing. Evan,
Stop. Stop. Stop.
stop. Ouch!
Stop it.
Wait. Okay, stop. All right, lift it up. Great job. Good.
I didn't pour
Stop.
it. I didn't pour it.
Evan, you're
Stop.
ruining all the
Stop.
cupcakes.
I didn't pour it.
You're ruining it.
You're ruining it. You're ruining it.
You're making a hot mess,
What
Evan.
do you want, like?
Stop. You're messing up cupcakes that are perfect. Go away. Grace.
No, don't step forward. Evan, put your hands up. Put your hands up. This is a stick up.
Y'all treat me like I'm able.
Step back. Step over here. Come to my voice so you don't step in the thing. Grace, go put on some shoes so you don't run a hole with it.
Grace, get a paper towel and clean up before real quick.
You eat it,
You'll
ain't
get
you?
a pepper
Fat
towel
back.
and eat big back pork chop.
Huh?
What? Listen, your cupcakes are so ugly.
Grace, you can do the rest of the cupcakes.
Grace,
Let me do
put that
one.
down. Put that down.
Mom, they let me do one cupcake. Let me do it. I can do it.
No.
Please.
Grace, please take care of that.
Please, let me do a cupcake.
You're the only child.
Brianna. Please.
You can wash his hands. Wash hands. Evan, wash your hands.
Don't touch me.
Evan.
When I'm done with this, I'm gonna body slam Grace.
I'm gonna body slam you.
Stop. Dry your hands. It's like turkey clothes.
It's holy water. Oh.
No, the cupcake. The whole reason we're here. Evan, stop the cupcake. Great job, Grace.
No hands. No.
Get the bread pan, I guess. I don't know what else to do with this.
Just leave it.
That's not good.
Just leave it.
Now you like it.
Yeah.
No, put your hands
I
down.
can't.
Put your hands down, Mom. This is Brianna and Grace. It's Grace. You trying to touch me.
Evan, let go. We're gonna put it in the oven and you get to do it.
Yes. Give me it.
Evan's gonna put
Grace,
it in the
stop
oven.
touching
Stop
me.
talking. Evan's gonna put it in the oven.
Give it to me. Give me the donuts. Cupcakes.
Evan?
Yeah.
Grace, you should do this.
Hey.
No.
Evan,
Evan's gonna do it.
please don't burn yourself.
It's okay if he does. He's a professional.
Is it open?
Yeah.
Oh.
You got this down.
Let me close it too.
Wait, we have one more.
Down. Down.
Over.
Over to the left. Down. Over to the left. That's good. That's good.
Okay, everyone can take off their deficiencies. Y'all suck. Oh.
I hate not being able to talk.
All right, thank you guys so much for doing this with us. Before I close out, anything y'all want to say about your?
I feel like we did good. I feel like I did good.
I feel like I was the only one who could actually do stuff right.
I can do stuff right. I did stuff. You are screaming like that. Mom, how did it feel to not be able to actually clean up along the
Because I
way?
just wanted to take over. Because y'all, that was a hot mess. And I just needed to take over.
I think the cupcakes are going to turn out great. They're going to bake, and then we're going to come back, and we're just going to decorate them on our own and add icing and maybe sprinkles. We don't know yet. Thank you all so much for joining us. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next episode of Vlogmas. Bye!